Want to see what CAMS and KFin Tech, both of these stocks are doing. Centrum has initiated coverage on both of these stocks with a buy rating. So want to see what both of these stocks are also doing in the pre-open. We'll try and get that rate up for you right now. But other than that, yes, all eyes are going to be on how the market opens today, given that we've seen a rather tempered expiry yesterday. We shut shop with a cut of about 0.6% yesterday. So let's see how we're expected to open today. And the first trades will come up on your screen just about now. Let's see where the Nifty has opened. 0.1% uptick, initial shade of green on the Nifty. At least that is where we are right now, but that's inching lower. And 25,870 thereabouts is where we are at on the Nifty. For the Sensex, also absolutely flat. Nifty Bank has already dipped into the red, but is absolutely flat around that 59,000 mark. The advance decline ratio as of now very nominally in the favor of the advances, so we'll see how that pans out for the rest of the day. But it's Shriram Finance that is picking up steam quite quickly. A 2% uptick now on Shriram Finance, 1% higher on Aisha, and on the flip side it's a 1% cut coming in on HDFC Life. So very quickly want to take a look at what some of the life insurance stocks are doing. Let's take a look at HDFC Life. Let's also fire some of the some more insurance stocks. Let's talk about Niva Bupa, Go Digit, and SBI Life, HDFC Life. Some of these stocks that could be in focus. LIC continues to be absolutely flat. Niva Bupa seeing a 0.5% cut this morning, and SBI Life should be up on your screen as well. Go Digit also not showing that much of an impact from the passage of this insurance amendment bill. SBI Life too is absolutely flat. Let's talk about some of the buzzers then. Indian Overseas Bank, the government is planning to sell about 3% stake via an OFS, which opens for non-retail investors today and retailers tomorrow. IOB seeing some cut, 2.7% lower over there. Ola Electric, Bhavesh Agarwal has sold 2.63 crore shares at 35 rupees per share. This is to repay the loan on the promoters end. Ola Electric absolutely flat. NLC India, they've signed long-term power purchase agreement with SJVN for wind power projects. SJVN not doing all that much, and NLC also not doing all that much. Saregama India, the board has approved a strategic investment of 325 crores in Bhansali Productions. So we'll see what this does to the media index today. 0.5% uptick. PVR has been doing well for the past couple of days. Yesterday saw a little bit of a cut. So let's see what happens to the media space today. Lupin then has received the EIR from the US FDA for its Nagpur injectable facility. So along with Glenmark, all eyes are going to be on Lupin, and the stock is inching up quite quickly, about a 2% uptick on Lupin right now. On the back of some new orders, watch out for NBCC. Total orders received were 345 crore rupees. So that stock is in focus, along with an RVNL. New orders received worth 165 crore rupees from the Northeastern Railway. Ugro has done its fundraising to the extent of 10 million euros. They've allotted debentures via private placement. So watch out for that. Ugro is absolutely flat this morning. But other than that, some of the newsmakers, eClerx, the board revised its share buyback, increasing the price from 4,500 to 4,800 rupees per share. eClerx is inching up 1% higher. For Protean eGov, the board has approved the acquisition of about 5% equity stake in NSDL Payments for 30.2 crore rupees. So Protean eGov should also be in focus, and that stock is higher by about 0.5%. Some of the news flow coming in. Let's also take a look at what ITC and Aditya Birla Real Estate are doing. The CCI has given the nod for ABREL to sell its paper business to ITC. ITC is up about 0.3%. AB Realty, where the higher impact is being seen right now, up 1.5%. So that's the way the first trades are panning out. Harsh, anything else standing out for you today?
Yeah, PB Fintech continues to sink, 1.3% lower, and IGL doing 2.4% higher after that Nomura note and that upgrade by Nomura. So 2.5% odd higher on an IGL. Eternal Swiggy, let's pull those ones up as well, because they had a difficult day of trade yesterday. Seeing a bit of a hold up in trade today, at least on an Eternal Swiggy, to just about turning green, if at all I can say that. Well, continues to be in the red, slight negative bias where Swiggy is concerned.
Harsh, Akzo Nobel, the one standing out right now, 14% cut coming in on that stock this morning. Block deal of 48.8 lakh shares has just undergone, it's gone through right now, and that's on the bottom of the screen. The stock seeing immense pressure. A 14% cut at morning for Akzo Nobel, so all eyes are going to be on that as well. MGL, Shriram Finance, IGL, Hinzing, all of them continue to do well. Polycab seeing a 3% cut this morning, as is the case with IOB, Praj and Fact. Kunal, your